Hello and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and Milk Moon is next week. For those who don't know, Milk Moon is the name of the full moon in May. Other names for this moon include Flower Moon and Corn Planting Moon. I'm pretty sure whoever made these names just based it on whatever they saw at the time. This year, the Milk Moon is actually a supermoon, the closest one in 2021. So if you get the chance, go out and take a peek at that beautiful glowing orb in the night sky. If you can't go out, that's fine too. Another way to enjoy the moon's energy is to make today's potion, called Milk Moon Beautifier. As you may have guessed, this is another beautifying cocktail. Made with lavender and honey, this potion is sweet and warm, and full of beauty-enhancing powers. Sip this potion on the evening of the full moon, or any time really, because this potion is so good. Probably my favorite cocktail so far, so if you don't get to try anything else, at least try this one. Anyway, use this potion to manifest beauty and complement self-care rituals as well as glamour magic. So without further ado, let's craft our Milk Moon Beautifier. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need lavender. So I realized that a lot of the recipes so far use lavender, and I swear I'm not doing this on purpose. I hope you guys like lavender. Milk. So I'm going to be using oat milk today because I am lactose intolerant, but also I just really like the taste of oat milk. The original recipe actually uses milk powder, but honestly, use whatever milk you like to drink. But if you actually want to use milk powder, then I will leave the original and the modified recipe down in the description below. You'll also need honey, spiced rum, and Kahlua, or any other coffee liqueurs you like. Alright, so first, let's make lavender milk. Put 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of lavender in a pot and bring to a simmer. Turn off the heat and let it infuse for 2 minutes and strain into your cup. If you are using milk powder, place 1 tablespoon of lavender with 1/4 cup of the milk powder in a cup and add hot water. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and mix to dissolve. Add 1 ounce of spiced rum. And 1 tablespoon of Kahlua. I'm going to transfer my potion into another cup. I have a bit left, so I'm going to froth it and make some milk foam. Top off with your foam and add a little sprinkle of lavender. And ta-da! Milk Moon Beautifier is complete! If you want to do some advanced magic, borrow the energies of the Star Tarot card as you sip your potion. As a symbol of healing and personal growth, it shines a light on inner beauty and encourages you to pursue more of what makes you your best, most radiant self. Taste test time! So you guys already know that I really love this potion, and I'm actually really happy that I get to try it again for you guys. Cheers! So the first thing that you get is a hit of alcohol, but then it follows with the floral lavender, and then it ends off with the rich creaminess of the oat milk. This combination just works so well together. You can't really taste the coffee liquor, but I think it adds to the overall creaminess of the drink. And I feel like the spiced rum really adds another layer of flavor. I definitely approve. So I don't really know how much this drink would change if you used a different milk, but if it's anything like what I'm drinking right now, then I think it will turn out really good. Yep, still love it. I just can't help but smile when I drink this. It's really good. It feels like a magical journey. It's like if someone punched you in the face, but then they like lovingly cared for you after. I think that's abuse. Okay, bad example, but this drink is bomb. You can really tell that I like this drink because I pretty much finished it already. So if you like lavender or creamy drinks, then I strongly recommend this potion to you. Even if you don't like lavender, you should try it. So maybe I'll try making this potion with different herbs and flavors. Leave a like if you want to see me try them out. Again, this is my favorite drink so far, so if you guys get a chance to try it, please do. And it supposedly makes you pretty, so what is there to lose? And that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that you get to try this amazing potion. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below. And until then, class is dismissed. Stay magical!